Okay, folks, this is it. It's Scrap Masters week, and this is a awfully awkward video, I'm sure. Yeah, sitting in a hotel room, and I'm a little wiped out. It's the night before you're watching this, and today was 2 trunk shows back to back, and I had a wonderful time, and I get to teach a workshop all day tomorrow. Room's filling up. Raining outside real hard. We're a little nervous that people are going to get washed down the road. I'm afraid I won't be ready for the spin and the roll. And I definitely, as I said last week, won't be able to sew with you this week. So I just wanted to check in and let you all know I'm thinking of you. And I actually asked the trunk show group this morning here at the Central Oklahoma Quilters Guild if they would like to be our guest roll and spinners for the day. So yes, they're going to handle the roll and spin for you all. I'll get my block made as soon as I get home Sunday night, Monday. Happy holiday weekend to all of you who are coming up. I also want to share with you, like I tell you each week, the importance of working with our hands and being part of the community. So let me share with you what's in my sketchbook. So those of you who come to the retreat center at Stitchin Heaven, you've met Chef Tyler, and Chef Tyler is talking about getting a cool tattoo with a chef's knife and a scroll. So I started drawing that up for him. And then I'm also really excited. I saw kind of a tutorial on how to do peonies. So I'm just kind of messing around with this at the moment, just having fun, playing with my red and blue and green pencils, and just really enjoying learning to find that peace and quiet time. This sketchbook for me has been really, really powerful these last few weeks, and I'm just really enjoying that. And I'm really enjoying all the traveling and all the awesome people that I'm getting to meet and quilt with. I actually just spent maybe 10 or 15 minutes with Michael from Legit Kits. He was at the trunk show tonight, and it was awesome. It was funny. We were guys talking quilting and stuff, but it was really neat to get to meet him. Definitely kindred spirits, he and I, and talking about drawing, talking about having our hands busy and stuff. Check out the Legit Kits, folks. We've got a bunch of incredible kit offerings here at Stitchin Heaven for you. We've had the Big Hooter retreat in the past. We have a block of the month going on. So that was really exciting. Michael, if you're watching today, thanks again for the time you spent with me tonight. That was really cool. And again, just want to thank all of you for participating and putting all of your awesome blocks up on the Facebook group, So Well Rob Appell. And let me just go ahead and share with you the video from earlier today where you get your roll and spin, because I am so tired at this point of the night. I don't even know what else to say other than I love you all. Thanks for being here, and Scrap Masters Unite. Get to work on your blocks. Make sure you're posting on that So Well Facebook group, and we will see you real soon with a fantastic tutorial and another Scrap Masters roll and spin. Thanks, folks. This isn't going to go well. They're laughing at me already, but here we go. Okay. Trying to record your Scrap Masters roll live with the Central Oklahoma Quilters Guild here. Look at these guys, gals, going crazy. But we got to do it. We got to do it. So Nancy fell asleep during my trunk show, so I've picked on her to come up here. She didn't really. So she's gonna be our official roll and spinner while we do the. Okay, so Nancy, I need you to come down here. So we've got this beautiful backdrop. You're gonna roll the number 6-sided die first, and any number on that 6-sided die you want. No, that's a great one. Okay, so that's block number 1. So we're going to do block number 1. This is the official. So now, Nancy, you get to show them Vanna White style, block number 1. Oh, yes. That is lovely. You can show the rest of the room in case they want to participate. Ooh. Ah. Well done, team. Okay. Now, Nancy, let's not get carried away. Okay. Okay. We're going to need you to spin, please. Oh, let me make sure the rotary cutter is in its safe mode. And it hurts, don't flick it too hard.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good spin, with authority. Okay, that is not a liner. We are on the red family. So we had red the last couple weeks, that's good. I like you keeping us on palette. Very nicely done, I appreciate that. Okay, so now Nancy's gonna go ahead, and with the 20-sided die, this is the one. They're looking for a big number, please. Big number, no whammies. A 3.
Maybe there's a 1 in front of it.
Oh, that's right. I just heard from the back of the room. They said it came off of the quilt. Nancy, we need a re-roll. Yeah, that's what it is. Here you go. Try it again. Let's try it again. Just keep it on the quilt, if you will.
Okay.
There she did it. 19. Yay! All right, Nancy's already running back to her chair. Thank you, Nancy. Awesome. Okay, that's it. Block 1. 19 fabrics, color red, do as you like. Remember, there are no rules. Oklahoma, you're awesome. Thanks for having me. Yay, Scrap Masters!